Hello there, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one. This came by way of Dan over at exoticnudes.com. You should check out his website if you want to get a nice multinational, international, all over the place kind of subscription box. He's the guy. Dan's the man. Go to exoticnudes.com. I don't know if it still works. He's always got some kind of deal going on. But you could try using the Ramen Raider and get yourself a discount. As a coupon code, that is. Hey, from Hong Kong, China, we have Nissin Demae ramen with their seafood flavor. The last time I had this was in 2010, folks. It's been just about 13 years since I've had this. It was 15 days after I got married to my wife. 15 days. I'm like the review number 78. It's been a while. Yeah. Which is pretty nifty, I think. I like it when all of a sudden I get the chance to revisit something like this. Alright. Here's our 3 minutes on the old clickety-clackety clock. So, how's everybody doing? Oh, I was gonna grab my new radio. It's a, what brand is it? It's a, Rigid. I guess they make power tools as well, and it's called a job site radio. And the thing, it's kind of old. It takes like one of those 18-volt battery packs you put in like a portable drill, you know? And of course, every single brand has a different proprietary battery pack, I'm pretty sure. So of course, the one I have for my Black & Decker cheesy little drill isn't going to fit in there. But it's built to like... It's got a little front compartment that pops open, and you can put an iPod in there. That kind of shows how old it is. But it's funny, it's got a power cable on it that's like the same thickness. It's thick. This is like an industrial, rugged radio, and it weighs like 18 pounds. And it's just like an AM/FM radio, and you can put an iPod in it and play music from that. No Bluetooth. I was kind of like, oh, no Bluetooth, huh? That's kind of a pain. But that's all right. It'll be okay. We'll live. We'll be fine with that. I don't really need it. But I got it for free on the Buy Nothing Kenmore thing. And people thought that it was like a generator. Oh, wow, I could really use a generator. Oh, no, it's just a radio. Oh, okay, interesting. Is it a power bank? No, it's just... What I'm wondering is if I did get a battery for it, if it'll charge it if I plug it in, or you have to have what they call a sled that you put the battery in, and then you can charge it. And if that's the case, I'm not going to go that far out of my way for this thing. It's definitely the most cumbersome radio I've ever seen in my life. It's ridiculous. There. You can enjoy seeing dog. Yeah, I took her out for a walk. She's kind of beat. You kind of beat over there? Yeah? Yeah, you kind of beat. My puppy. That's my dog. That's my baby dog. Yeah. Go lay down. Go chew on your stick. Do your dogger stuff. Good, Pepper. You're good. Alright, so that's done. Now we will make this. This is really easy stuff to find, folks. I can't think of an Asian grocery that doesn't have this variety. Oh, I shouldn't say that so quickly. Honestly, does H Mart have Demae ramen? I don't. Okay, I can think of places that don't have it. But if you go to a Chinese, more Chinese, Taiwanese kind of joint, they'll have it. Like, what's it called? 99 Ranch Market. I think what you guys have, if you're on the East Coast, is a chain called Great Wall. We don't have that out here in the Northwest, but we've got plenty of Asian groceries. We're really, really lucky. All right. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go. Go lay down. Yeah. She'll go lay down. So yeah, let's give this a try. It used to, their labeling changed, and it used to be more like about being from Hong Kong. Now it's just like all about being from China. Of course, Hong Kong has been part of China since, what was it, 1999? Used to be British, but I don't know. Let it down! Our broth, it does have some non-dairy creamer in it. Give it more of a creamy look. It's nice, buttery. It's simple, and it does what it's a seafood flavor. Definitely a buttery seafood flavor, which I see quite a bit. When seafood flavor exists, often it is buttery. Look at that. It's awaiting. Await no longer, bowl. All right, let's get this going, because we got stuff to put in there. Oh, there comes the sun. Irritated by the sun. Gotta like lower the blinds now, and it's kind of a pain in the rear. It's been a while. I haven't used fishball in a little while, and I know though I'm gonna be using a lot of fishball pretty quick here, because I've got plenty scads, ladies and gentlemen, scads of varieties of Malaysian stuff coming, and I am freaking jazzed as one can be about that fact, because I love Malaysian instant noodles. It's funny, I'm gearing up to do something special with a possibly, these things fall through all the time, which is fine, but gearing up to do a thing with a Japanese TV network. We'll see how it goes. But it's like, what can I say? It's I do so many different varieties, and while I love Japanese varieties very much, there's so many different things out there. They want me to lean towards the Japanese stuff as my favorite. That's fine. I mean, when it really comes down to it, that was the first thing I ever tried for Japanese variety. Well, a domestic, and then I got steered towards a Japanese variety. But yeah, I don't have any problem with that. I want to focus on my enjoyment of Japanese varieties, and I enjoy them. I do. I enjoy them. Well, the next one I'm doing is from Japan. Speaking of, this is Maikai. I've never seen this brand before. And this is a tonkatsu ramen. So that will be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Ranger wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.